In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals with Asana rules. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to turn any task into a clean, trackable approval and make the workflow move itself with automation. Start by logging into Asana. Make sure you're in the right workspace and team so everything lands where your collaborators expect it. Next, open the project where you manage requests, assets, or deliverables. Approvals work in any view, but list view makes it especially easy to scan status at a glance. Open a task that needs sign off. It could be a creative asset, a contract draft, or a process document. Clear task titles help the approver know exactly what they're reviewing. With the task open, click the three dots in the top right to open the options menu. This is where you'll find task level actions that reshape how the task behaves. Choose convert, then select approval. This changes the task type from a regular to an approval task, unlocking specific decision options and making the review process explicit. From here, add clear instructions in the description, explain what's being reviewed, what success looks like, and any constraints the approver should consider. Attach the files they need, PDFs, images, or links, so they don't have to go hunting. Finally, assign the task to the approver and set a due date to keep momentum. From the approver's perspective, the approval icon appears in their My Tasks or the project view. When they're ready, they can choose approve, request changes, or reject, and add comments to provide context. This keeps the decision and the rationale in one place for easy follow-up. In list view, watch the status icon to understand progress at a glance. An empty circle means pending, green means approved, orange indicates changes requested, and red means rejected. Sorting or grouping by status can help you prioritize what needs attention. If you want more structure, create a custom workflow with sections and custom fields to track stages like draft, in review, changes requested, and approved. This lets teams align on process without changing how they work day to day. Finally, automate the heavy lifting with rules. Set rules to auto-assign the approver when a task is converted to an approval, move tasks to the right section when the status changes, and notify the requester automatically. Use subtasks and comments to capture feedback on files, ensuring nothing gets lost between versions. That's it, your approval process, organized and automated in Asana.